My name is Bianca Mattison-Amos, and I'm a graduate of the broadcasting program at Centennial College. I chose Centennial College because after looking into several other colleges in Ontario, Centennial just seemed to be the one that had the most comprehensive program in terms of variety. I was going to be learning radio production and television production and film production and digital media, and wanting to go into the media industry, it was really important for me to be multifaceted, to have a lot of skills, and I felt like I could get that at Centennial College. My first day of the program, we got a camera. I did not even know how to turn it on, but we were filming on that very first day of school, and everything that I did from that first day was practical experience, whether it was doing live TV shows or live radio shows or filming commercials or filming short films. We were working from day one. Everything that I learned at Centennial prepared me to be ready for the role that I'm currently in. I really credit Centennial with a lot of the success that I'm having now. One of the main things being how prepared I was to enter the industry, because I got that hands-on experience from day one. I went into this industry knowing a lot about all different areas of media, radio, TV, film, and so on. And I believe that that helped me to land the position that I am now, and it's currently helping me to shine in the position that I am in now.